Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn your old wigs into a new wig. This is my wig that I've had for about 3 years plus. It is very dry and so difficult to comb right now, but I'm going to be revamping this, and this is how I will do it. With my hands I'm going to detangle this wig so that when I go in with a comb it does not break. Once I have detangled with my hands, it is easier to now go in with a comb. It makes the revamping process, it makes the combing process very easy. So now I'm going to go on it with a comb, and I'm going to be combing it from bottom to top. I won't comb from top to bottom. Combing from bottom to top helps to keep your hairs safe, and you will not have like so many breakage or cuts. So I'm going to be combing it from bottom to top. After combing it like that, my hair is easy to work with now, and my hands can run through them. I already have warm water in this bowl. I'm just going to be adding hot water to this to achieve that lukewarm water. I'm going to be using my shampoo. This is VO5, but you can use any one you want. This is the one I have at home, so this is the one I'm going to be using. I'm going to immerse the hair into the water, and I'm going to apply the shampoo on my hand, my palms, and just try to get it into the water to wash the wig. My wig is really dirty, guys. It's really dirty, and you're going to be seeing how color the water is, but yeah. Now I'm going to be paying special attention to the wig cap part. We sweat on our wig cap a lot, and you need to really clean it out, because those sweats can make your wig smell. They can make your wig not so good. So I'm going to be focusing on that part, and I'm going to be cleaning it out as well. You can see how colored the water is. I'm going to be taking this outside, and even this is like the second wash. You'll see the water is really dirty. So I'm going to be taking it outside and running it over like free flowing water, so that my wig can be totally cleaned out. It's already looking so good now, and I'm loving how it is looking. It's still hard, but yeah, that is the purpose of this revamping, to make my wig clean and soft. So I'm just going to keep cleaning this, and I'm going to go over the wig with my conditioner. This is VO5, but you can use any conditioner that you have at home. It's just that this product is really good, and I like it, and I've been using it to revamp my wigs, and it works perfectly fine for me. So yeah, so this is not an ad, it's just an advice. You can use it if you want to. I'm going to be parting my hair in sections and applying the conditioner in each section. This is to allow my conditioner to ensure that my conditioner reaches all the parts of my hair. Yeah, this is to ensure that my conditioner reaches all the parts of my hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply this in my hands and take it all over the wig itself. Yep. Now that I'm done, I'm going to be I just want to ensure that all the conditioner reaches all the parts of the hair. I'm going to fold it in like this, and I'm going to keep my wig in a Ziploc bag for 3 days. Yes, 3 days. If you know what dry is, even yourself, you want me to keep it for this state. But I'm just going to be keeping it for 3 days. Yes, 3 days, and after 3 days, I would put it in another bowl and just rub hot water, like scald So I'm just going to roll this in my hot water and I'm going to take it out. You want it to be in a Ziploc bag. You don't want to put your wig directly in hot water because you don't want to lose all the moisture and all the treatment that you just treated your wig. I'm going to rinse out the conditioner from my wig now, and I am going to be transferring this to my dummy head, and I'll leave it to air dry before I start combing and straightening the hair. It's really looking neat, but I need to see the final result. I'm combing, straightening the hair. I'm going to straighten this hair myself. First off, this wig is now feeling very, very soft. It's very combable now, such that I can even use a tail comb on it. Guys, this is the hair that I've had for 2 years plus, and it is still so silky like this. I wish you could touch this hair, guys. Like you would understand my joy. This hair is silky, it is very easy to work with, and it is so nice. I love the fact that I can comb it with a tail comb. You need to revamp your hair or just try this method at home and you will love it. You don't need to spend so much money on revamping your hair outside or that yourself. You can save your own points. Like, the joy that I feel right now is matchless. Like, my wig is so soft and so fine. You should try this. Bye.